The mutate function is provided by dplyr to either modify an existing column in your data frame or to create a new column using a function of some existing columns. Note that this is in contrast to the add_column function that is provided by the tibble package to add a column that's already been computed to an existing data frame. To create a new column based on a function of existing columns, within the mutate function, you're going to use the syntax new column equals function of existing columns. To modify an existing column, the syntax would be the name of the existing column equals the function of the existing columns. In the example below, we're going to take the bill length column, which is originally in the units of millimeters, and we're going to transform it into a new bill length column that it uses the units inches. For simplicity, I'm also going to afterward select two of the columns just so that I don't get a tibble that's too large to print to screen. So in this example, I use the mutate function. Similar to other dplyr verbs, I first give it the data frame that we want to manipulate, and then I want to create a new variable, bill_length_in, where in stands for inches, and it's going to be the bill_length_mm column multiplied by this constant right here, which is going to convert the millimeters units to the inches units. I then use the pipe operator to select the two columns of penguins related to bill length, and I get the results here. In the previous example, I sort of cobbled together something based on the mutate function alone with the pipe operator. If I wanted to use better style, I would actually take the penguins data frame, I would pipe it into the mutate function, where implicitly the penguins data frame would be piped into the first argument of mutate. I then use the same syntax as before to create a new column, bill_length_in, that is a function of the bill_length_mm column. And then I use the pipe operator to then select the two bill length related columns. And I get the same output as before.